Hello guys, welcome to Alien Text, aka Green Bar Digital. Yeah, today I'll be teaching you guys on how you could watch football match. When I mean football match, I mean live football games, football matches, basketball, cricket games, baseball games, or any type of game through an app without you subscribing or using your television to watch it. Just with your smartphone or your iPad, you can watch football matches. Yeah, but before we go on, you have to just go to my channel, my YouTube channel, Greenbar Digitals or Alien Text, and hit the subscribe button so you could get subscribed for more of my contents. Okay, to start going, if you're using an Android or an Apple store, you just have to follow my method. But first of all, I will work with Google Play Store. You understand? I will show you for those using Google Play Store. Yes, this is my PC. I'll first open my Android emulator because I don't have a Google smartphone I will use to show you this video. So I will just use my Android emulator on my PC so I can show you how you could watch live match easy without stress. This is not really what you need, but if you got your Android, I'll just show you the app name so you could just search it on your Google Play Store, you download it, then boom, you can watch free football without subscribing. Okay, let me open my phone. Let me open my Android. Okay, meanwhile it's loading. Just hit the subscribe button, the YouTube subscribe button. Now you can also share or like the YouTube video. You understand? You can share to your friends who have problem on this. You can share it to them. Okay, these are good. My phone now is open, so just go. Let me go to my App Store, Play Store. That's it. I'm on my Play Store now. Let me open it fully so you could see it right. I'm on my Play Store now, so I'm on my Play Store now. You go and search for Yora. Yes, it's Yora Footy. Go to your Play Store and search Yora Footy. You can see it. This is it, Yora Footy. It's already installed on my device, but for you now, you just have to install it. Yora Footy Score. You can see the name. That's the name. Yora Footy Score. Then you install it. Okay, you can see on my phone it's installed. But for those using Apple device, iPhone, I'm not sure you can see this app on your App Store. But what you can search the name Bing Sports or Kaka Sports. I'll send the link on the description so you could easily search it over. That's what you can search to get an app where you could watch movie. As a movie, you can watch football, any type of game, NBA live games, cricket games, any type of game, you could watch it live. Okay, let me open the app now. As you can see, this is let me open the app. Let me open the app now. Hold up. Okay. To open the app, this is the app, Yora Footy Score. Okay, you can see it. You can see the live matches available now. Stuttgart match is here, AC Milan match is here, PSG match is here. Osasuna Alaves match is here. So many matches are here. But let's check on the PSG versus Reims. You can see it, you click on here. First of all, because this is a free something, so they will first show you ads. First show you buy ads before you could continue. You can see I've clicked on the skip button, click on the X button, but the ads are not always many. So this is it. You can see it. This is how it is. You can change the quality. Let me show you. You can change the quality below. This is the quality. You can click here HD for HD format, FHD for the highest format. So it will show very clear. Let me click on this so you can see it. It will show ads. It will show ads. After the ads. Okay. After the ads, now look at this. Look at this. You can see it's clear now. It's it's good. So this is how you can watch football or any football game or any game on your phone, or your smartphone, or your iPhone easily without stress. If you have more issues, you can hit me up. You can send me a comment on the comment section below telling me the issue you have so we could easily resolve it together. Okay, ciao, thank you, and also hit the subscribe button. Bye.